Hello mga mommies! So, this video is all about learning Filipino. Since I am a mother of a French baby, I don't want to lose the Filipino language to her. So, gusto ko magkaroon siya ng kaalaman tungkol sa lingwahe natin. Gusto kong tangkilikin natin ang sariling atin kahit nandito siya sa France at siya ay planse. Ngayon, gusto ko turuan ng magsalita ng Filipino. Okay, anak, are you ready?
Our topic for today is all about pandiwa. In English, it's a verb, and in French, it's verb. What is pandiwa? Ito ay salitang nagsasaad ng kilos. It's an action word. As you can see in the screen, she is eating. Siya ay kumakain. Elle mange. Please know that the verb that we are using is belong to present tense.